Hi guys, welcome to our JWell factory and headquarters in Changzhou. Although JWell was founded in 1997, we have been in the screw and barrel field since 1978. In 2013, the JWell Changzhou factory was founded for prompt after-sales response to our customers from central China. Our best-selling products are our PP melt-blown fabric line. For more information, go to our website www.polynk.com. Hi there. For today's video, we will be looking at the metering pump. So the metering pump of our product line is a precision gear pump. The main function of the metering pump is to provide quantitative delivery, stable pressure, and the ability to increase the pressure to help with the plasticization of the melt. The control of the metering pump is closed loop and automatic. We set up 3 pressure monitoring points on the melt runner, which are pressure monitor points before screen changer and pump, as well as pressure monitor after pump. The pressure before screen changer refers to the pressure at the inlet of the screen changer. The pressure monitor notifies the operator when to change the screen. The pressure monitor before the pump indicates the pressure of the metering pump feeding port, which also shows the pressure of the extruder. So the pressure after the pump can reflect potential problems of pressure within the melt pipe and mold cavity. This one is a static mixer, and you can see its different structures. It has many small plates spliced and welded into different shapes. There are multiple shapes that the plates are welded into, such as a twisted or leaf-shaped and cross-shaped formation, among many others, as displayed in this picture. The working principle of the static mixer is to let molten material flow through the melt pipe and impact various types of plate components, increasing the velocity gradient of the melt lamina and forming turbulence. In laminar flow, it will appear segmented and reconverge. In turbulent flow, in addition to the above 3 conditions, the fluid will also generate violent eddies in the direction of the cross-section. There is a strong shearing force acting on the melt to further divide and mix the melt and form the final high plasticized mixing. If we add some color master batch and materials that are difficult to plasticize, we can use this static mixer. It helps improve plasticization and the mixing effect. So now on to the heating and hot air device. In this picture, we can see a roots blower, air heater, and hot air tubes. The hot air fan and the heater mainly provide the temperature and pressure of the hot air used in the spinning airflow stretching process. The air heater utilizes electric heating. The roots blower or screw blower is used for the hot air blower. We generally use a roots fan for small equipment with a width of 800 millimeters and air pressure of 0.7 to 0.8 MPa, whereas for large production lines such as 1,600, 2,400, and 3,200 millimeters, screw fans will be used. That's all for today. Hope you found the video useful. The next section will be covering what is the most important part of the melt-blown fabric line, the spinneret and mold. The design of the spinneret is advanced and complex. So in this video, we will be providing you with an overview of its structure. See you next time.